my name's Julia. Today, we're gonna play Play-Doh!
Yeah. Okay, let's go.
Cheerios. What? Oh, let's open them all. Pink!
Orange. Ash.
Purple! Circle, guys.
Blue. Wow. Still more. No, that's still more.
But we don't care if it's... Oh, you need this? Oh! Oh! I'm so good. This is so sticky.
Ah.
Oh, yeah. So
We have some toys here. We're gonna play Play-Doh. Let's go. I'm gonna make a fish that is color pink.
I'm gonna make... I don't know what to make.
You can make balls.
Can make it flat? Oh, I know what to do.
Can I mix them?
No.
I made it. But no, it's not good.
Oh my god. Ah! What are you?
Whoa!
It's so sticky. Yeah. I used another color that time. I should use the others anyway.
Because the purple is so sticky.
I don't want to use the purple anymore. You know, guys, I don't know what's my favorite color is that's sticky. I love purple. Yeah. Ah!
Hey, don't shut up the guy.
Guys, do you like Play-Doh?
We are a huge fan of Play-Doh.
I'm not.
I am a huge fan. Sorry, Play-Doh.
Whoopsie. Some mistakes.
Everybody makes a mistake.
Well, yeah, I think I'm not gonna.
I made it.
I cannot hold any more Play-Doh. Only the purple one.
Ah. Can I make more? I'm gonna make a bow tie.
It's so sticky.
You need a real spoon.
Don't use the purple anymore.
Don't use the purple. So we're gonna continue, guys, in
Playing.
playing in the next video.